How to fill a shape with color on Canva. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fill colors in the shapes in Canva. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to fill color in shapes, there are certain process. It's very easy. First of all, place the shape onto the picture that you want to place it in, and let's say you want to fill the color in that particular shape. So you may just add any kind of shapes from elements. You may just go to elements and select any of the shape. After that, you may choose the transparency of this shape to place it above this image that you want to try it to. And after that, in order to put the color, just tap on color at the up. You can see that option, and there you'll get a bunch of different options of colors. So in order to choose color, you may just add any of the color that is suitable for you. You may just choose any of the colors. There are also options of gradients color. You may just choose any of the color. I'm going to choose this for now, and I'm going to choose the transparency. So let's say you just place it on some image, and you may just adjust the transparency in order to make the background also show clearly. So therefore, by following this method, you can fill in the shapes in Canva. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.